Hello friends, in this video we will talk about dominance, incomplete dominance and codominance and what is the difference between these terms, that is dominance, incomplete dominance and codominance. So we will understand the difference by taking a common hypothetical example. Suppose we have a plant with red flowers and we have another variety of that plant with white flowers. And these red flowered plants have two alleles, that is capital R, capital R. And white flower plant also have two alleles, that is capital W and capital W. When we cross between these two, so here we can see that it is homozygous and it is also homozygous because same type of allele are present. So when we cross between them, capital R from there and capital W from there. So this is our F1 hybrid. Genotype of F1 hybrid. So what will be the phenotype? Suppose this plant is red flowered. If this plant is red flowered, then in that case here the allele for red flower expresses itself and it expresses allele of white flower. So in this case, if this flower is red, in this case we will call it dominance. So here, because this R is, capital R is here expressing itself and expressing this allele that causes white color. So when phenotype of F1 hybrid is similar to any one of homozygous. Here we know that this is homozygous and this red flower is homozygous and this white flower is also homozygous. So here the phenotype, if it is red flower, then its phenotype is similar to red flower. That means it is dominance. It is showing dominance. And in next case, if this is phenotype of this genotype is pink flower. If it is pink flower, the color of flower is pink, then what we can conclude from this, that neither allele is expressing itself fully. Here the F1 hybrid is intermediate of two homozygotes. So here red flower and white flower. So it is, if F1 is pink colored, then it is intermediate of both the homozygous genotypes. So here in this case we will say incomplete dominance. So when F1 heterozygous is intermediate of two homozygotes, then it is called incomplete dominance. So dominance when phenotype of this is any one of homozygous, it may be red or it may be white. If it is red, then this allele is dominant. If this is white, the color of this is white, then this allele is dominant. If it is intermediate of both, then it will be called incomplete dominance. And the last one is codominance, means both are dominant. Here, this F1. So I am drawing here a petal of a flower. Suppose these are petal of a flower. Half the petals of this flower are red, like this. This part is red. So it is red colored, and this part is white colored. If F1 hybrid comes out like this, phenotype of F1 hybrid comes out like this, means half petals are white and half are red. Then here from this we can conclude that both alleles are expressing themselves. This allele that causes red color expressing it here, and this allele that is causing white color is expressing itself there. So here F1 heterozygote have phenotype of both homozygotes. So here we can see that this F1 have phenotype of both homozygotes. It also have red colored petal, half petals are red, half are white. So here it will be called codominance. So when one allele expresses itself or phenotype is similar to one of homozygotes, then it will be called dominant. Incomplete dominant when phenotype of F1 is intermediate of both homozygotes, both of these, then it will be called incomplete dominance. But when phenotype of F1 have phenotype of both homozygous, then it will be called codominance.